pretty great too, but I'm just someone who likes to be cold and cute at the same time. I do not like to be hot. Pretty sure, like in another life, I was a Sasquatch or something, or a Yeti, something that lived in the cold. Be like a vampire, I don't know. I like the idea of that. Hey, how are you? Are you doing good? Good. It's one plus about today. Let me think about this. My makeup to be a snatchist. I wasn't really expecting that, so I'm feeling pretty snazzy jazzy about that. Hello. Today's video is going to be a fall lookbook. I'm not in a talking mood at this moment, which I may very well get into at some point, but not right now. And I want to make sure that I put out an amazing fall lookbook, because the last amazing fall lookbook that I had put out had to get taken down. So I hope you enjoy this one. I got some pretty cute outfits in here. I have made a Pinterest board called Fall 2022, and I'm gonna link it down in the description box if you want to go check it out. If like you want some more ideas or just kind of want to see what I was inspired by, then I would go check that out. I love fall fashion. I feel like it's one of the best seasons of dress. Not frostbitingly cold to the point where like you really have to be bundled up, although that personally for me is not an issue because I am always hot, but it's also not burning hot to the point where like anything you put on is going to cause a hot flash instantly. Yeah, I think that this is going to be a fun video, and let's get into it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Something that occurred to me, I was putting on the clothes is if you are thrifting. I know that plus size thrifting is not always the easiest thing. I've heard this a lot, that like trying to find cute stuff as a plus size person, particularly through thrifting, can be hard sometimes. And I definitely felt that way in the beginning of like thrifting stuff. And I found that like one of the best pieces of advice I ever got was to take a Pinterest board with you. If it's like you looking for your own personal style, you basing it off of someone else's style, just looking up like different aesthetics, bringing Pinterest photos with you, or just making a board of exactly what you're looking for. Having a Pinterest board with you to be able to like kind of outline, this is what I'm looking for, having an idea, because you know, you could think about it like, oh, I'm looking for a red coat. It has been really helpful for me, at least, to have an exact set look that I'm going for. And I generally walk out with more stuff, or just better stuff, when I have that like idea in my head of exactly what I'm looking for. So again, if you're looking, or if you want a Pinterest board that was kind of inspired by this, fall 2022, it's down in my description box. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I can't tell if people like me talking through them, the voiceover, or just no talking at all better. I'm definitely open to suggestions, so if you have any ideas, down in the comment box below would be great. If you have any videos that you would like to see, I'd totally be open to it, and you can comment that in the comment box below. If you like this video and you want to leave a like, I would really appreciate it. Yeah, I will be back with more content, and potentially I will see you next time. Okay, bye. I'd like to give a piece of advice to the internet. If you are feeling slightly down and you want a good old chuckle, go watch Avanjogia's TikTok. Didn't know that that's what I needed in my life, but it was. The man has fashion, humor, really good looks, and like a banging personality, all in one human, or that's what we're getting from the surface. So yeah, I just thought I'd add that little tidbit in.